Celebration last year. We were the new kids and we're like, we're gonna be super cool and give away pints of any tap beer for $3. And we got swamped. We are a tiny little restaurant with 49 seats and we did over 400 dishes in the 3 hours that Celebration was on.
So I'm making fish and chips. This is a very popular dish in America and everywhere around the world, I guess. And we are using local fluke.
We have this great resource here on Long Island, an abundance of fresh local species. We are trying to raise awareness of what species are local, where consumers can purchase local seafood, market local seafood as Long Island Fish, which is an acronym for Fresh, Indigenous, Sustainable, and Healthy.